Today we are going to start a case study, science case study question number 11. So let us start the question. The context is like that. Read the following and answer any 4 questions out of 5 bits. Whenever a solution has pH of less than 7, it will give an acidic solution. For example, solution having a pH of 4 will be acidic in nature, or it will be an acid. Please note that more acidic a solution is, the lower will be its pH. That means जितना pH उसमें कम होगा उसका acidic nature ज़्यादा होगा. For example, solution of pH 1 is much more acidic than another solution of pH 4. So ये दोनों solution acidic है, acid होगा, because this is pH value is less than 7, but this pH value is very less than, means less than this value. So this is stronger acid. In other words, a solution of pH 1 will be a much more stronger acid than another acid having pH 4. See this figure. In this figure, 2 cartoons are there, 4 value and 1 value. You can see and identify that he is stronger than this guy. Okay. So the solution having pH of 0, 1, 2 and 3 are usually considered to be strong acids, and the solution having pH of 4, 5 and 6 are considered to be weak acid solution. It is clear that the acidity of a substance is related to its pH. Strongly acidic substances have a very low pH. In fact, lower the pH, the stronger the acid. Okay, so now based on this, a few questions have been framed. So let us start the question. So first question, a solution turns red litmus blue, its pH is likely to be. So which solution turns red litmus blue, acid or base?
So base.
Base. So that means the base, the pH value of base is more than 7. So which value is more than 7 here?
So 10.
10. So correct answer is 10. Now the second question, the pH values of 6 solutions A to F are given below. A is equals to 0, B is equals to 11, C is equals to 6, D is equals to 3, E is equals to 13 and F is equals to 8. Which of the following solutions are acids? So acids का जो pH value है वो less than 7 होता है. Now you have to identify the pH value less than 7.
So 0, 3,
A,
6.
C,
Okay,
D, F.
0, 6 and 3. That means A, C and D. The other values are more than 7, so वो basic होगा, right? So correct answer is, which bit is the correct one?
A.
Option A.
Right, A, C, D. Let us move towards the third question. Fresh milk has a pH of 6. When milk changes into curd, the pH value will become 7, become less than 6, become more than 7, remain unchanged. तो जब मिल्क जो है वो कर्ड में चेंज हो जाता है तो उसका थोड़ा उसमें एसिडिटी आ जाता है, राइट? हैव यू स्टडीड अबाउट मिल्क टू कर्ड वन?
Yes, sir.
तो ऑलरेडी pH is 6, so it will become more than 7 or less than 6.
More than 7.
More than 7 तो बेसिक हो जाएगा.
Less than 6.
And 6.
Yes, less than 6. So correct option is become less than 6. Now the next question, the pH values of 3 acids A, B and C having equal molar concentrations are 5.0, 2.8 and 3.5 respectively. Arrange these acids in order of the increasing acid strengths. So just we have studied in the context that lower is the value of pH, the stronger is the acid. So what you have to do, this is A, the 5 is, this is A, B and C. So lesser the pH, stronger the base. So which will come first?
2.8.
No. See, हम लोग को इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर मतलब कम स्ट्रेंथ से ज्यादा पे आना है, तो जिसका pH ज्यादा है वो हम लोग पहले लिखेंगे. 1,
5.5.
2, 3. Whether order is clear? एसिड का इंक्रीजिंग
Yes, sir.
स्ट्रेंथ लिखना है तो pH का बड़ा वैल्यू पहले लिखेंगे. उसके बाद सब छोटा, फिर उससे छोटा, दैट मीन्स 5.0 किसका है, ए का, देन 3.5 किसका है, सी का,
C.
then 2.8. Okay, so lesser the pH, stronger the acid. So we'll take up the higher to means decreasing order of pH. So consider the above statement. The order of increasing acidic strength is A less than 6, less than C, and less than B. So the correct option is A, right. Now we'll move towards the next question. A beaker of concentrated hydrochloric acid has a pH of 1. What color will full range universal indicator turn if it is added to this beaker? So when we are adding the strong means a strong acid, the pH, the indicator will become what it will show? It will show red. Okay, pH is equals to 1 will turn the scale red. Why? Because it is a strong acid. So the first option is the correct one. So this is the last question of this case study question. Now we'll see the next case study question in the next one. Okay, so thank you.